Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the phone and tablet holder for your DJI controller. It's from Kismaple or Kismaple. Let's do an unboxing. This is from my iPad mini, so let's see what's in the packet. Cool. Comes in a nice soft little pouch. So we have, this is your lanyard, your strap. Then we have, this is the bottom plate that slips into your controller, and this is the bit attaches to it. It's obviously got quite a good spring on it actually. That's good quality actually. Right, let's have a look. Right, so guys, this bit here, this folds up and that gives you a connection for us here. Clips into place. That was the wrong way. Perfect. Right, so I have a Mavic Pro controller. So now what you do is you pop out your cable, because you don't need that now. Well, not in there anyway. Fiddle the connection off. Right guys, so that's that out from the side. So now perfect. That's pretty cool actually. You know what, that's actually not too heavy on the hands, even though I've got the lanyard. Yeah? So this is what comes as well in the packet. Cool. It's good quality. Does say, I'm going to zoom in, the future of possible. God, why is my camera not? Oh God, I do apologise guys. So this, well, attached to it. There's your lanyard there, perfect. So now, it's for my iPad. Get out its case. Quite springy actually. Perfect. So guys, that is the mount by Kismaple, or Kismaple, and I've got good clearance for my thumbs underneath, plenty of room. Let's put my password there. Here we go. Go for that. So what I'll do is I'll take this out. Later on, go for a little flight with it. I just bought this iPad mini second hand, so I'm looking forward to seeing what it's like going from a normal mobile phone to the iPad mini. I'm going obviously holiday next week, so it's going to be so much better for seeing. And I've also got a sunshade coming as well for the mini, so that's going to help with the glare in the sun. So well, that's it for this video guys, and thank you for watching, and if you could subscribe and hit the bell notification, that'd be much appreciated. So till next time, thanks.